What's up, people? Welcome back to the channel and to my stupidities. Today's reassembly for my 2017 total Ford Fusion. Yeah, it's been a pretty long road finding parts for this car. Sorry about all the noise in the background. I got my heaters on. It is freezing outside. So, yeah. Today, I'm gonna try to get everything reassembled on this hunk of junk. Everything is painted, seam sealed. I want to get the glass in today because I want to finish it up. This thing is looking really nice. Yes, son. Passenger side. Look at that. Like it never even happened. That's the passenger side quarter. Bodywork looking really nice, the way it should. So, the trunk. I'm gonna have to take this deck cover or whatever you call it off because for some reason it pushes the glass upward. I guess it's because it's damaged. I'm not sure, but yeah, it pushes the glass upward. You can see it's about ½ an inch up. So I'm gonna have to take it off and put it back on before the glass goes on, so that it doesn't give any problems with the glass. I guess seating, I guess you want to call it, laying down, right? But yeah, I'm gonna start getting to this now. All right, so I started putting some stuff back together. Like I put the bumper supports back on. I put the light back on this side because it was easy to connect. This side, the wiring harness is complete. It's intact. But this side, the wiring harness got smashed. Like it got really bad. So I need to fix that. I need to change the wiring harness for the trunk because if you can see right here, this is the harness for the reverse camera and for the park assist. And I have to fix this harness because this is the one for the sensors that go on the bumper that I'm gonna have to drill, which is not a big deal. I'm gonna drill the holes out, put some glue in it. It'll be brand new. So, as you can see, everything here is done, put back together, and cleaned up a little bit. I put these guys back on, the sensors, I think this is one of the modules for the rear. Now, it's worth noting, and very important, if you do not put this ground back, your car will not turn on. This is the ground for that guy, for the fuel pump. So, yeah, definitely needs it. So, I'm gonna start welding those the harness. I'm gonna wrap it up real nice and get back to that. All right, so what I'm gonna start doing now is I'm gonna start fixing the damaged harness. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna solder them, which I should have turned this on already. I think I'm number 3. I don't even know how to. It says it's on. I don't feel any caliente. I guess that one's not gonna happen, so that's an epic fail. But what I'm gonna do is I'm going to start stripping all these wires so that I can start repairing the harness and hopefully get this damn thing to work. Alright, so now that I got that soldering iron working, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to solder these two together, but first I'm going to slide this guy because I want the wires to be 100% sealed and protected from the elements. So I want to do it the right way. Positive connection. I don't know if you guys can see it there, but that's the way it's gonna be. So now what I'm gonna do is add a little bit of flux. Cool. Get the wire. And now you guys can see it. The wire is completely soldered. There we go. Now that's 100% sealed from the elements. And we have a positive 100% connection that even if it gets wet, it will not penetrate because this melts onto it. So yeah, let's just keep going with the rest. Alright, there you go. They're all soldered and shrink wrapped, shrink tubed, whatever you want to call it. There you go. Now you go. So I like the real thin shrink tubes from Autocraft because they fit really good. And when you go to tape everything up, it doesn't give you a big bulk like the other ones would. So it's better. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna start taping it up. Here. So I'm gonna start from back here. I just got freaking glass stuck in my finger. What the hell? Ow! Where the hell did it go now? It keeps freaking scratching me. Son of a bitch. Alright. Anyway. Enough of my shenanigans. There we go. I like to try to pull it together nice and tight so that it gives it a nice thin profile. Now normally I wouldn't like the wires being so close together, but they're soldered and they're shrink wrapped. So they should be fine. They will be fine. I've done it numerous times before and with good results. It's never caught fire yet. It won't catch fire. You'll be fine. Now that I reached the end, I'm going to go back upward. You missed a spot. Just for good measure. We'll go slightly tighter on this time so that it stays bundled up nice and tight. And there we go. So that's how it looks. I'm gonna push this over here. I'm gonna set it up like we're about to finish everything up. Now, put the light on. Oh, sorry guys. Now I'm gonna have my assistant go turn the lights on so we can see if it works. Oh man, there you go. Press the brakes. There you go. Look at that. Look at that. Put the turn signal. Look at that. Turn the lights on. Hold on. Okay, so we turned everything on and press the brakes. All right, so those work. Now I forgot one of the grounds. I'm not worried about these. All right, let them go. I'm not worried about these. This is for the parking sensors, so I'm not worried about those. I did, though, forget. There's one ground over here, over there, and there's another ground somewhere on that end or this end that I forgot to put on. I remember because when I was taking it apart, that ground was it was cut, so I'm missing one of the grounds. I have to look for that one, but everything is on. Everything else is on. I'm gonna finish the deck lid. I'm gonna wire up the deck lid, and then I'm gonna come back and check for that ground, because I think the one of the grounds is on the deck lid for the running light, for automatic lights and the regular lights. So I'm gonna do that right now and get back to you guys in a sec. All right, so now I got everything fixed. It was something real stupid. It was the deck lid wasn't connected, so now everything turns on. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Now we press the button. Yes, son. The reverse camera is right there. That also works. Let me see. It's a little bit harder to close because this is not the weather strip that goes to a Ford Fusion, but those were actually no. That's the exact same one that I have on there. It's the same one from the same car. This other one right here is from a completely different car. I have no idea what it's from. I don't know if it's from my MR2, but it's from a different car. But these are from Honda Accord, I believe. Yeah, I think it's from a Honda Accord. So it's a little bit thicker. So it's a little bit harder to close the trunk, but it seals better anyway. So it closes. That's the most important part. So now I'm gonna put the left rear door back on so that I could drive it next door and get the glass put on. But yeah, that's how she's coming along. Look at that. It's almost done. Almost ready to say bye-bye. Bye-bye. After all this time, the Fusion is almost done. Look at that. One more time. Oh, look at that. I'll show you guys. Oh, matter of fact, I'll show you guys the reverse camera. Okay. Let's see. All the systems working. No airbag light on. Of course, it says hood ajar because the hood is open. It says park aid. Check park aid. But there's the sensors in the back are not connected because there was two sensors that still haven't come in, and I already told the new owner that. But other than that, there's no check engine. It's just telling me that the doors are open, the hood is open, and the e-brake is on. Now it's off. No lights. So now, put it in reverse. Look at that. There's a strange blur right here. I don't know why, but whatever. I'll clean the camera right now. Let's see. I hope it's Oh yeah, just a little bit of dirt. Nothing I can't clean up. That should be better. Let's see now. There you go, no more blur. Awesome. Cool. So, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna reinstall the left rear door and put the screws on the back bumper because everything is still loose. And I'm gonna take it next door and put the window on, and I'll show you guys that process when I'm done. All right, people, so I'm next door in the window shop, and my shop assistant almost crashed the car.
No, I did not.
Bringing it in here. Like, all she had to do was take it out from my shop next door and drive it inside. And she almost crashed it. Unbelievable. She almost hit a truck.
No, I did not.
Seriously? And it has a reverse camera now, so she can't say, I couldn't see nothing. So, yeah. I'm not even gonna bother saying the shop name because they're acting like little girls here. So I'm gonna stay quiet. I'm gonna look at the car, looking good, looking fixed. Hopefully it's gonna be leaving either Monday or Tuesday. Latest Wednesday, it'll leave the shop. So, yeah. Once they're done, I'll show you guys what it looks like. All right, people, there we go. Windows going on. He's still being a little bitch about shit, but it's all right. Business is business. Work is work. Business is business. You know how these little cockroaches like to have their money to drink for the weekend. But yeah, there it goes. Fusion's finally getting a back window again after who the hell knows how long it's been without a window. But yeah, there you go. Glass is all clean. They do a pretty good job here. I mean, even though the actual window guy's a dick, but you know, they're right next door to me, so it is what it is. You guys need any windows put in? All you gotta do is come down to Martinez Auto Repair. Ask for the little queer guy named Ricky. He'll give you a good price. He'll bitch and moan about it, but he'll give you a good price. I don't wanna make him nervous. I don't want the window to leak. But yeah, he's doing the rear windshield and the quarter glass. And yeah, hopefully we get this done. There we go. Look at that. Almost like professionals.
José, suelta esto. Jala un poquito de aquella esquina para allá.
Alright, sorry people. An unfortunate mishap. I touched the stupid urethane. Now it's all over my damn hands. And it takes like 2 weeks to get off. And he did it on purpose. I know he did it on purpose. He said he didn't, but yeah, where'd he go? There you go. Little gay guy. But he brand new paint job and he has urethane all over it.
Eso no es urethane, eso es pega de la pega de que tenía cristal. Mira, eso no es urethane.
Mira.
Eso no es urethane, papi. El urethane se riega más.
I'm gonna fucking kill this guy. But yeah, there you go. Look, it's almost done. That's Francie, the mechanic for next door. So yeah, once we're done here, car be done, ready to go. Oh, my mask is falling off. There you go. I can't. So okay, people. So there's the car all done. Yeah, it got dark really fast. The windows are on. Quarter glass is on. Rear windows on. That's the way she looks. In the dark, because it got really dark fast. So So yeah, this is what I'm gonna call this video. I think this is part 8, or who knows, I lost how many parts it is already. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. The car is pretty much 98% done. Like, pretty much the only thing left is to polish it and detail it, pretty much send it on its way. So I'm going to show you guys on the next and last video, I'm going to show you how to remove the stripes that are on the car or add the stripes. I'm going to do both. I'm going to call the owner, the new owner, because it's already sold, and ask him if he wants the stripes. If they want the stripes, I'll put some stripes. I have them in that mess, I don't know, there's a big ass mess over there. So, if you like, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, comment down in the comment section, let me know what you guys think about it. If you saw something on there that you didn't agree with, let me know. I'll try to fix it, or I'll just send it on its way the way it is. But, like always, for Gianna's Auto, I'm Jose. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.